Hello class 6. So today we will be starting with our new topic, that is noun and its different types or kinds. So before moving on, if I ask you something, just give me one word for nouns. You have been studying nouns from past so many classes. आपने already nouns किए हुए हैं, past so many classes you have already done with nouns. So if I ask you just give me a one word about nouns, then what that word could be. So I give you an example. We can say naming words. So the words that name anything is called nouns. जो भी word जो name करते हैं, that anything, that is called nouns. So let's read the definition first. A noun is a word or word group that is used to name a person, place, thing or an idea. A noun is a word that is used to name a person, place, animal, thing, idea or qualities. If there is an ongoing idea in our mind, कोई भी हमारा ongoing idea भी होता है mind में, or you are feeling something and you name it, it's again called a noun. Clear? So we have some examples over there. If we talk about persons, teacher, Paris Hilton, mother. If we talk about places, different places, school, city, mall, different things, lamp, book, desk. If we talk about pen, paper, these are all things. Ideas, love, courage, freedom. Now move on to the next, that is, now these are some examples of person, place, thing, animal or idea. For person, I can talk about anybody, any person, like if I'm taking name Maria, John, Iqbal, Scarlett. Now if I'm talking about the places, any place it can be. School, Lahore, village, park, think, table, pen, book, phone, fan, animal, cat, goat, lion, parrot, dog, idea, love, bravery, strength, fear, power. Now ideas or feeling, anything which we cannot touch it, but we can feel it. Idea is something that we cannot touch, but we can feel it. Now moving on to the kinds of nouns. Now there are mainly 5 categories of noun. We will be discussing them one by one. So firstly, proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, material nouns and abstract nouns. So the first one, that is our proper noun. A proper noun is a name given to something to make it more specific. Now whenever I am particularly talking about something, it will be a proper noun. जब मैं किसी particular चीज़ की बात कर रही हूँ, किसी particular name की बात कर रही हूँ, तो it will be my proper noun. Now let us understand with the example. Now Suzanne, Big Ben, Fido. Now examples like Ram, Taj Mahal, Titanic, the Bible, because it is particular name of a person, place, irrespectively. ठीक है? I am taking out the name. Now proper noun what includes like name of persons. ठीक है? अगर मैं किसी का भी name लिखती हूँ, example Ram, Sham. If I take some titles, Mr. or Mrs., Professor, or if we talk about monuments like Taj Mahal, India Gate, Eiffel Tower, places, India, Europe, London, America, particular places again when I'm taking out the name, when I'm saying the months, November, December, January, or I'm talking about the days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, these all come in the category of proper nouns because it is a particular name of a person, place, respectively. Now, next we'll be talking about what are common nouns. Now next we'll be talking about common nouns. Now I read the definition for you. A common noun names a general person, place or thing. Do not capitalize. A common noun denotes a person, place or thing in general. जब हम general चीज़ों की बात करते हैं, proper nouns में हम particular name given होता है, but when we are talking about common noun, we are talking all in general. It is just like proper nouns, but there is just a small difference that in common noun it is in general. कि proper noun focus on particular names and common nouns in general. If you remember, in proper nouns I focus on in particular thing. Common nouns are always in general. For example, You are not specifying where you are going or which place you are going to visit, so you are talking in general. जब हम कोई place का name नहीं ले रहे हैं, कुछ किसी का name नहीं ले रहे हैं, तो हम वो चीज़ क्या कर रहे हैं, वो general हम बात कर रहे हैं. I give you an example. I met a boy outside the school. So you are just saying that you met a boy. So boy will be my common noun because I'm not taking anybody's name, but a boy in general. So boy would be a common noun because you're not specifying the name. So keep it in mind that in common noun, person, place or thing will be in general. सिर्फ जनरल चीज़ों के बीच में बात हो रही है, no specific names. Clear? Now let us see the examples of common noun. Now again we will categorize them in people, animal, places, things or ideas. Again now there is only a small difference that we are not going to give them names. We are talking about them in general. Example, if I say I will going to visit a doctor. So I am normally talking, I am not mentioning any doctor's name. सिर्फ मैंने जनरल में डॉक्टर बोला, मैंने किसी डॉक्टर का नेम नहीं लिया. So it will be a common noun. See, persons like children, teacher, doctor, girls, these are all common noun. Animals, lion, elephant, insects, tigers, birds. Places like street, city, mall. I'm not taking any mall name or any city name. I'm only talking in general. Now things, radio, tree, plant, music, these are all things. Now ideas, love, religion, joy, peace. Now these are all the example of common nouns. Now let's move on. Now a major difference between proper and common noun are proper noun are always capitalized. ठीक है? Do not give a common noun a capital letter just because it is an important word in your sentence. Clear? Common nouns are not capitalized. Now proper nouns are always capitalized irrespective of the fact wherever they appear in the sentence. चाहे वो कहीं पे भी appear हो रहे हो sentence में, लेकिन proper nouns हमेशा capital letter में होंगे. And in case of common noun, unless it begins the sentence, जब तक वो begin नहीं कर रहा sentence, you do not require to capitalize it. Basically, common nouns are not capitalized, whereas proper nouns are capitalized and common nouns are not at all capitalized.